Hello, this is Lee and Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, taking a tour through the Mount Dora Fair. This is a plant and fruit tree fair, the 28th one. They have a lot of booths out here. It's a rainy, cloudy day, but mostly at least it wasn't heavy rain. So you have all type of plants, house plants, outdoor plants here. You have some trees, fruit trees, medicinal plants, herb plants. You have all kind of crafts for outside. I mean, it really was beautiful. It's actually a lot bigger than I actually thought it would be because it goes around this whole area. Downtown, Mount Dora in Central Florida. So we're just taking a walk through here and seeing all the different vendors. You got some vendors, some local vendors from a lot of the nurseries that's in the area, and you have some out-of-towners also. You have some backyard vendors out here. You have a little bit of everybody out here. This area right here, Natural Farms. This is one of the nurseries that I actually go to get some fruit trees. So they have some very decent prices here, different type of fruit trees. To name a couple of, they have, some coffee trees, mango trees, miracle trees, citrus trees. There's a whole lot of different ones, Java jacartas, a whole lot of different ones. They had avocado trees, and when it comes to the edible plants, they had katuk, Malabar spinach, longevity spinach, a lot of different herbs. A variegated oregano plant. So they actually had a variegated Cuban oregano. I have a Cuban oregano plant, but I actually seen a variegated Cuban oregano plant. So that was something exciting to see. I like different things, different types of plants. So what I really appreciate about this fair is you have all the nurseries combined together, right along with some backyard nurseries, all in one spot. So they'll give you their business cards, and you can decide for yourself whether you want to go visit their nurseries or not. They're showing you a large section of what they have in their nurseries, and they also have lists of other plants, fruit trees, edible plants, or whether it's flowers or, what have you. They had every type of tree that there was. So this gives you a chance to see a snapshot of what they have in their nurseries. And like I said, you have some backyard gardeners that they came out to show you what they're doing too, because everybody cannot afford to open up a big nursery. So you have a lot of backyard gardeners in Central Florida also. A lot of these people are from in the Central Florida area, but we have some people that also came from further out, other parts of Florida, to display their items at this fair. Pretty good prices for, whatever you're looking for. I tend to get the smaller items for a cheaper price, depending on the growth rate. If the smaller item is going to take a very long time for the growth rate, I'll step up a little bit. Other than that, I'm usually patient and I'll go ahead and let it grow and I'll nurture it to where it needs to be. Okay, this is the first part of the tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Oh, and another thing, while you're out here, you can look at their list on the website. You know, you can see a lot of that, and you can call and ask them about their products before you even waste your time driving all the way out to see if they have them. Also, when you pay cash, a lot of times you get 10% off. They have military discounts and sometimes senior citizen discounts depending on the day of the month. So that's just another thing that I'm throwing in there. Cash is still king, right? As of right now. Okay, so this is the first part of the tour. I'll be bringing you some more soon. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.